Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Naturally Queen here. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I do my wash and go. Alright, so first things first, I'm going in to massage my scalp, make sure that my follicles are getting the massage that they need so they can stimulate the hair growth. Now that I got my hair good, nice and massaged, I'm gonna go in with my water bottle to make sure that I hydrate my hair properly. That way when it's time for me to section it, it won't break off or anything like that. So I highly recommend you guys saturate your hair before you part in in sections. Now that I have my hair saturated with water, I'm going to part it in sections to begin my pre-poo process. Alright, as you can see, I'm going back in with my water bottle. My hair cannot get enough water at all, especially in that middle part. That is a whole nother textured beast. So now I'm just going to go in and make sure that my middle is heavily saturated. Now I'm going to go in and finger detangle my hair. The less kinks, the better. Now I'm gonna go in with my Mielle Organics, the pre-poo treatment, shampoo treatment. Y'all, this stuff is amazing and it smells so good. And you don't have to use a lot, so a little bit go a long way. Alright, as you guys see, I started off in my middle because my middle is like a very dry and different texture. So like I said, it's a whole nother beast. So I'm going in and finger detangling my hair. So now that I'm done with this side, I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other side, which part it in sections, spray it with water bottle, and then go in with the Mielle Organic pre-shampoo treatment. Now that all that is over with, I'm going in and I'm massaging my scalp. As I said before, massaging your scalp is very important to hair growth, so just make sure you massage those scalps. Let me show you guys how important it is to start to saturate your hair or condition it before you shampoo or whatever you do. Just make sure it's the first step. That way you won't get a lot of shedding. And I'm going to show you guys that I did not get a lot of shedding. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to section my hair to top to bottom so I can go in and rinse out this pre-poo. But I'm not going to talk too much on this because all I'm doing is just rinsing and just detangling out before I go in with the Mielle exfoliating shampoo. Alright guys, it's time to shampoo. And I told you a little bit goes a long way with this product. So it's good, it's rich in lather, so you really don't have to use a lot. Now I'm just going in and doing the same exact thing I did to the back side at the top. I'm gonna just rinse out all the shampoo out of my hair. Alright, now that is over, I'm gonna go in with these two bomb products, the curl cream as well as the leave-in conditioner by Mielle. I'm gonna go in and then, oh, let me not forget my coconut oil. Cannot do anything without that. But now I'm just gonna go in and section off my hair, and then I'm gonna go in and just apply these products. And I caught myself doing the lock method, like the leave-in, the oil, and the cream, but I think I end up putting my coconut oil on there first. So whatever method you use, I don't know if that stuff really works. I just go on and just slap my products on my hair. I think at the end of the day, I think I get the same end results. But I have to do another video to see if it's something that's different. So just stay tuned on that video. And I don't know why, but I always go in and do like a 2 or 3 finger coils. Probably because like most products is not like face friendly. And then next thing you know, after I wore my wash and go, I have like 10 big huge bumps on my face for no reason. Just mad disrespectful. But usually when I do my wash and goes, I just pull it to the back. As you can see, guys, I'm starting on the outside of my hair because I like to give my middle part a lot of attention. Like I said before in the very beginning of my video, that middle part is a whole nother beast. So I like to give that special attention. Alright, so now that I done got all that out the way, I'm just going in and just pretty much just loosening up those curls and just pretty much just making it fit my face, just scrunching it up. Now I'm gonna grab this Auntie Jackie gel. If you guys do not have that Auntie Jackie flaxseed gel, then you sleeping on yourself, and I will need you to wake it on up. So I'm gonna go in and get my toothbrush and go in and just slick my hair back. Like I said before, that oil is very disrespectful, so I'm just gonna go in and I'm just gonna slick it back until it dries. Alright, so now that I added my cute little bowls with them cute little whatever those things are, I just added them. So now I'm just going in and I'm slicking down those little thin edges of mine. Hey, they still there. But I'm just gonna go in and just slick those down. Alright guys, that's about to be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is a little cute little work style or just getting out the house type of style. But if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, still give it a thumbs up. It will not hurt to hit that thumbs up button. Also hit the subscribe button while you're at it.